How did Ripple go from a crypto startup to a global financial giant challenging Wall Street itself? The secret isn't just technology. It's their regulation-first philosophy. While others dodged rules, Ripple embraced them, building a fortress of compliance that's now paying off in a massive way. Let's break down how they're quietly building the future of finance. First, let's talk numbers. Ripple holds over 60 regulatory licenses and approvals worldwide. That's not just impressive, it's an industry record. This isn't just about collecting permits. It's about building a foundation of trust. It's why top-tier banks like HSBC and BBVA are choosing Ripple as their partner. They need transparency, security, and legal clarity, and Ripple delivers. This commitment to working with regulators has made them the go-to choice for institutions that can't afford to take risks. But what does this look like in the real world? Let's look at some examples. In Spain, banking giant BBVA is using Ripple custody to offer secure, bank-grade digital asset services to thousands of its customers, all under the strict MiCA framework of the European Union. This is a huge deal. It shows that traditional banks are ready to dive into crypto, but only with a partner they can trust completely. Then there's the humanitarian sector. The International Rescue Committee, or IRC, is using Ripple's compliant blockchain solutions to deliver aid in crisis zones. Think about it. Fast, transparent, and verifiable payments that get help to people who need it most, without getting stuck in red tape. This demonstrates the power of blockchain when it's applied responsibly and within established legal structures. And it's not just about banks and aid. Companies like Tembo ELV, part of Vivo Power, are adopting Ripple's stablecoin, Rust, for their global commercial payments. This proves that stablecoins can be a powerful tool for business, providing stability and efficiency in regulated industries, far from the speculative chaos we often see elsewhere in crypto. To fuel this expansion, Ripple has been on an acquisition spree, strategically buying companies to build an all-in-one financial machine. They spent a staggering $1.25 billion on the deal that created Ripple Prime, providing institutional-grade liquidity. They also acquired GTreasury and Rail, integrating enterprise treasury intelligence and a powerful stablecoin payment platform. Each acquisition isn't random. It's a carefully placed piece in a much larger puzzle, creating a seamless infrastructure that connects every part of the financial world. Ripple's trophy case of regulatory milestones is equally impressive. In Singapore, they secured a full major payment institution license from the MAS, a gold standard in global finance. In Dubai, they became the first blockchain payments provider authorized by the DFSA to operate in the UAE. And back in the US, they hold a trust company charter from the New York Department of Financial Services for their stablecoin, and have even applied for national trust bank charters from the OCC. This isn't just about being compliant, it's about leading the conversation and setting the standard for others to follow. So, what does this all add up to? Ripple is no longer just a crypto company. It has built a unified, global infrastructure that acts as a bridge between traditional finance and the world of blockchain. By prioritizing regulation, they've earned the trust of the world's biggest institutions and are now poised to become a true Wall Street challenger. They are proving that the future of finance isn't about breaking the system, but about building a better, more efficient, and more inclusive one from within. What do you think about Ripple's strategy? Is this the future for all of crypto? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of finance and technology.